Hello, everyone. We're back again with week 3, day 2 packet. Today, we are going to be working on finding the time set 1. Okay. Our directions: circle the matching time for each clock. So, as you can see, we have a bunch of clocks here, and they are showing a time. And we have to figure out which of these correct times. We got 3 times for each one. And which one is the correct time on the clock? So if we remember, we start here at 12, which is like 0 on the clock, and then it goes in groups of 5. So we have at 1 would be 5, and then 10, and these are minutes. So we have 15 minutes, 20, 25, and so on. So our minute hand is our longer ones. This one here is our minute hand, and then this is our hour hand. So if we look at our hour hand, you want to look at the hour hand first. It's pointing a little bit past the 10 o'clock. So we know that it's going to be about 10 something. And then we need to figure out what the 5 is. So remember, if we count it, so we start at 12, 5, 10, 15, 25. So if we look, it is about 10:25 in the morning, or 10:25. Okay. So that is how we solve for that. Okay. So remember, we really need to look at that minute hand and that hour hand in order to tell our time. Okay. If we do number 2 together, here we go. So this like bolder one, this thicker one here is our minute hand, and then this is our hour hand. So our hour. So if we look, the hour hand is in between 6 and 7. So that means that it's 6. Once it's past a number, so let's say if this hour hand was over here, that would tell it's 7. But because it's before 7, that means it's 6 o'clock. It hasn't quite reached that 7. That's something really important you need to know. Okay. Only once it's past it is it that hour. So if it's past 7, like over here, it'd be 7, and then so on. Okay. So we're thinking it's about 6. If we look at our options, we only have one that has a 6 o'clock. So it tells us that it's 6:45. Okay. And then if we were to count by 5s, we had 5, 10, 15, 25, 35, 45. So we know it's 6:45. Okay. All right, boys and girls, go ahead and pause the video and try number 3, and I'll go over it once we're back, okay? All right, so now that you had a chance to pause the video and try number 3, I'm going to go ahead and go over it, all right? So we are looking, our hour hand is a little bit past the 7 o'clock. It's like right about here. So that means that we're looking at it's 7 something, so our hour is 7, and we need to find the minutes. So if we count, starting at 0 again, here we go. 5, 10, 15. So it's pointing at the 3, which is 15. So that means it is 7:15. Okay. All right. So you're going to continue on with this. If you need help, go ahead and let us know, and we'll be on to the next video. Good luck.